Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to find the index of an element in an array. One of the most important interview questions of JavaScript. Without any further ado, let us start the video. So guys, I'll create a file. I'll write find index.js. Here let me expand. Now, let us take a simple array. Scenario space 1. So I'll take array of the numbers. So I'll write here constant numbers equal to 1 constant numbers equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Okay. So I want to find an index of a particular element here. Let's say I want to find an index of the element 2. Okay. So I'll write constant index of array equal to num dot, so I'll get find index of, it will take a function as an input. The function I'll give a value. So here I'll write a return value equal to 2. Okay, so let's see now console.log of index of an array. So let us take the value. So the value of 2 is 1. Let me give the index of 6. Okay, save this. What is index of 6 is 5 because it is calculating from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is scenario 1. Let us see the scenario 2. Let me comment this console.log. That is right, scenario 2. What if we have objects? Let's say I have an object const employee. So employee object will take array object. Okay, inside an array I have let's say 2 objects. Okay, here I'll write object serial number 1 comma name Azhar. So I'll write Azhar will be the string. So I'll write like this. Okay, I'll copy the same serial number and the name. So let me take another object here instead of this. So I'll write serial number as 2, name as David. I want to find an index of this particular object array. Index. I want to find the index where the name is David. So I'll write console, or I'll write constant. I'll take employee index equal to, I'll write employee dot, I'll write find index. Find index will take a employee, not an array. So I won't write capital, I'll write small e. Okay, this employee will be the name which will give in runtime. So I'll write return employee dot, I have name equal to David. I'll write console.log of employee index. Okay, so now let us run this. So David is having an index 1. Let us see the index of Azhar. Let me save this, and now let me run it. Azhar index is 0. So hope it is completely understandable. So let me minimize a little bit. I'll put both the scenarios in the description, and let me know in the comments below if you know more scenarios for find index. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.